Hi, how are you doing? This is Mike. Today I'm gonna do a review on Partner with Anthony program. I have been a student for 14 days, I think. I'm on module per 14. So basically, what the program is, each day is releasing one module in 24 hours. So even though that you have finished it, you cannot access the second module until 24 hours later. The idea behind it is to make sure that you understand the material, you grab the concept, and as well as implementing it. So at module 14, one of the homework is to upload a YouTube video, and that's why I'm doing this. And this is my first time. So all in all, I have tried a few other programs, but Partner with Anthony was definitely my favorite because it's structural, not like other program that when you get to the end you have more question than the answer. I'm sure you all experienced that before, and this one is actually walk you through step by step, so to make sure that things are done the right way. This is definitely not a get rich quick scam or scheme or anything like that. It's step by step that literally walking you through the entire process. So I actually already made a sale on this program on day 14, and I'm looking forward to have more. So hopefully by the end of 30 days, then I would have a lot more. So if you would like to find out more about this program, click the link below and find out more. And also, please like, comment, and share to help me pass the word out about the program. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.